Hello children, you are watching this video, and in this video the subject is self-development and art appreciations. In this subject now you see chapter number 4, social leaderships, power of one. In this chapter we will learn how to identify a social problem, design solutions to resolve them, and develop a plan of actions for the implementation. Now see these interdependent circles. Now what we understand by these circles? People in the city are dependent on villages for their agriculture products including food, grains, vegetables, etc. The people in villages on the other hand are dependent on the cities for their markets, industries and finished goods. It is obvious that if there is a problems in either of the places, the entire system will be affected. Second point is interdependence. Now, in this, what will be the effect if increase use of vehicles? Then a lot of garbage is produced since last many years. The machinery created for garbage management is falling short of such a big workload. If insufficient disposal of plastic leads to plastic accumulations in the soils, which makes it infertile. So what will be effect on you if next generations of farmers is attracted towards a city due to the uncertainty of climatic conditions and lack of basic facilities in villages? What will be the effect on you? If there are insufficient public health centers all over the country, what will happen? What will effect on you? You just see and find the answer of these problems. Now, people who have worked for social change. Baba Amte was one person providing essential service which are found to be lacking in the society is a way of bringing in social changes. He is known for the selfless service they provide to patients suffering from leprosy who were treated as outcasts at that time. Next, Dr. Rajendra Singh in the field of infrastructures, implementing projects to offer long-term solutions to problems is another way of bringing social changes. He has been instrumental in the building close to 4,500 small dams called Johads through people's participations in Rajasthan. His work has had a great impact in raising groundwater levels. In research field, Dr. Abhay and Dr. Rani Bank developing new solutions for eradicating social problems through research is a very effective way of bringing in social change. They both have been instrumental in reducing child death among children who developed pneumonia in Gadchiroli district. It was because of their research efforts that the death rate among the infants due to the pneumonia was brought down. Second point is activism, creating awareness about the rights, responsibilities, and needs of community and unifying the community to fight for their rights can also bring in social change. Now next point is the power of one. Malala Yousafzai. She was just 15 years old schoolgirl in Swat Valley in northwest Pakistan. She dared to challenge the Taliban ban on girls attending the school. Now she is working relentlessly for women's education and empowerment. She was awarded the Nobel Prize jointly with Kailash Satyarthi of India in 2004. Second is Dashrath Manji. He was a poor laborer from Gelor, a small village in Bihar. He has single-handedly carved a path of 110 meters long through the hillock using only a hammer and chisel to connect his small village with the nearest bigger village. For his feat, he became popularly known as the Mountain Man. A stamp was released by Indian Post in the honor of the personalities of Bihar on 26 December 2016. Bindeshwar Phatak was one person in a social reform working in the field of sanitation and waste management. He established Sulabh International, a social service organization. Earlier, a lot of people, especially women, face great difficulty due to the unavailability of public toilets. Sulabh has been building toilets at public places like bus stands, parks, etc. He has been awarded the Padma Bhushans by the Government of India. Now, here, one personal change project. Be the change you wish to see in the world, said Mahatma Gandhi. When one thinks of creating a change in the society, one should first begin with changing herself or himself. It helps to gain confidence to convince others to join in this personal project. Now you see some points. The name of the title, Reducing the Use of Plastic or Paper at Home. How can you reduce the plastic or paper at home? See, first you define the problem, reducing the plastic or paper waste that goes out of home. Now second, measure the problem. Take your waste paper bin and mark label on it. Label could be 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 full for 5 days. Note down how full the bucket gets every day. Find the average for 5 days and decide the current level of plastic paper waste. Third point is brainstorm. Make a list of all forms of plastic or paper that go into the waste bin. It could be the chocolate wrappers, grocery bags, broken pens, packing material, etc. Number 4, find solutions. Think about which of these plastics you can stop using, how any alternative is there. Number 5, just do it. Implement the changes you have listed in the above step for at least a week. Number 6, measure the change. Keep a daily track of how full the bin gets. If you see no change at all in the level, go back to the step 3. If there is some change, however small, it is a good progress. Keep it up. Document the process. Write a brief report about your exercise. Now see these pictures, some personal change project. Some ideas given here. Title is given. You can make one nice personal change project. Now write the answer of following questions. What will happen? See, questions are here. If you like this video, you share and subscribe it for next update. Thank you.